Which one is better, M1 Financing or Robinhood? And that's exactly what I'm going to talk about in this video. We are going to compare both platforms side by side and finally see which platform is superior. We are going to go over the pros and cons, and we're going to go over the good, the bad, and the ugly. And if you stick around until the end, you will see what my take is on both of these platforms and which one I rule as my go-to platform. By the way, my name's Thiago. Let's get into this video. Now, both of these platforms are known for being the pioneers in the zero commission movement. With Robinhood leading the movement, you can start an account in Robinhood with a minimum of $1. Also, both of these apps have a desktop and mobile version. In my personal opinion, Robinhood is the easiest app to use out of all of the brokerage apps that there is out there. If you know one that's easier, make sure to let me know in the comment section down below. The Robinhood interface is also very appealing and great for beginning investors. Now, with Robinhood, you can invest in stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto. In my opinion, this is good to get your toes wet, but if you want to jump into crypto, you might as well get yourself a decentralized wallet outside of Robinhood. Now, if you do want to stay with Robinhood, they did add a feature that's actually pretty cool. It lets you transfer your crypto in and out of your Robinhood wallet. You can leverage margin to invest in stocks with Robinhood. One of my favorite features and benefits of Robinhood is that you can deposit your money instantly into Robinhood and begin investing right away. You don't have to wait for days to start trading. You can start right now. This, in my opinion, is where Robinhood outshines M1 Finance. And the other cool part about using Robinhood is that you can trade throughout the day, unlike M1 Financing, which we'll get into later in this video. By the way, if you guys want to start using Robinhood to invest, and if you want to earn a free stock, I'll leave a referral link down in the description area down below. Robinhood also has a premier service where you can pay to gain access to lower margin rates, automatic trading, and you gain access to level 2 data. Robinhood also has a cash debit card where you can earn when you spend, but I'll make another separate video on that later on. Now, let's get into M1 Finance. Now, M1 Finance has more investing options than Robinhood does. Now, M1 Financing lets you invest in stocks, funds, ETFs, and retirement accounts. The con is that you can't invest in crypto or in option. However, in a sense, M1 Financing does have more investing options than Robinhood. And what it does do well. However, if you don't subscribe to M1 Finance's premier service, you only have one trading window throughout the whole day. Another cool thing that M1 Financing does is it allows you to automate your investing. So if you want to be completely hands-free, all you have to do is set up the automation and leave the app alone. With M1 Financing, you have access to some of the best margin interest rates out there. It allows you to borrow the money, bring it outside of the app, use it for your everyday purchases, and then it gives you an option to pay that back. Whereas in Robinhood, you can only use that margin rate to invest in other stocks. Now, M1 Finance has a debit and credit card that you can use where you can spend to earn. This is also a huge advantage over Robinhood, where Robinhood only provides you with a debit card. By the way, I made a video where I go over everything you must know about the M1 Finance platform, and what I'll do is I'll link that video right here. M1 Finance's premier service is called M1 Plus. Basically what this does is it gives you access to an extra trading window and access to better margin rates. Now, I'm going to go over my take on both of these platforms. In my opinion, Robinhood is a great platform for beginners if you like trading options or if you like making occasional trades. It doesn't have that many resources for long-term investing. Also, even though it gives you access to invest in crypto, I would highly recommend you to look at a decentralized wallet if you're looking to invest in crypto for the long term. Now, M1 Finance can also be for beginners. It's not as easy as Robinhood, but it's still very intuitive. In my opinion, it's better for the intermediate to advanced investor, It's great for investors that are looking for a long-term investing strategy, and it's perfect if you're looking to invest in dividend stocks. My verdict is that M1 Financing is a slightly better platform than Robinhood is. I'm slowly transferring my portfolio over to M1 Finance. Before, I used to be with Robinhood, and then I transferred to Charles Schwab because of the drama that happened with Robinhood. However, I am looking for a better, more intuitive platform. Even though Charles Schwab has more resources, M1 Finance suits me for what I use it for. At this point of the video, I want to announce the contest winners for last week's contest, which I ran when I reached 100 subscribers. So if you guys are listening to the video, Martin P. Nolasco and Manoha Hedge, make sure you guys email me with the email provided on the screen so that you guys can claim your $10 Starbucks gift cards or your $10 Visa gift card. But now I want to hear from you guys. What do you think about these platforms? What do you like about them? What do you hate about them? Are you thinking of signing up for these platforms, or have you been using these platforms and have something to say? If you do, make sure you drop me a comment down below. Also guys, if you guys are loving my videos, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you smash the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because every time I release a new video, you guys will be the first to know. Also, if you guys like this video, I made a video on everything you must know about the Voyager app, which in my opinion, it's one of the best apps for investing in crypto out there. So if you guys want to see this, click here to watch that video. Hey guys, it's been great. Till next time.